Hello, welcome to the Greenview Talk podcast. Today we will discuss the article, Environmental Licensing is Not a Bottleneck, Time to Think Outside the Obvious Box, which was written by me, Antonio Fernando Pinheiro Pedro, and my great friend, Rafael Posic. Environmental licensing in Brazil is a crucial tool for sustainable development, but it faces serious institutional, legal, and technical challenges. Issues such as undefined competencies between federative entities and excessive subjectivity in applying basic concepts like sustainability hinder its proper function. This creates a scenario where licensing is viewed as an obstacle to investments, leading to the decay of the environmental control sector. A change in mindset and political will. The solution to this vicious cycle begins with a change in mindset. Licensing must be understood as a support for socio-economic development and a tool to enable investments, not as a hindrance. This new approach requires the political will to invest human and material resources in the system and to recognize licensing as a strategic planning tool capable of segregating conflicts and ensuring the safety and sustainability of projects. Ideally, the government should incorporate strategic environmental assessment at the beginning of the decision-making process for large projects, especially those in partnership with the private sector. This allows for the anticipation of conflicts, preventing political and controversial issues from interfering with the technical analysis of the license, which often delays and makes major infrastructure works unfeasible. Structural and process improvements. In addition to the change in mindset, it is crucial to solve the structural problems that cause process delays. The slowness in project analysis caused by budgetary difficulties and a lack of technicians turns the process into a bureaucratic and inefficient notary's office. To streamline the system, it is suggested to create a pool of independent consultants funded by the entrepreneurs themselves. These consultants would perform a pre-analysis of complex projects subject to environmental impact studies, identifying sensitive points, and recommending technical solutions. While this would not replace the final analysis by public agencies, it would save a large portion of the work of data collection and correlation for government technicians, significantly speeding up the process. In the age of artificial intelligence, geoprocessing, and wide data availability, slowness and rework are inexcusable. The use of technical meetings is also an essential tool to promote dialogue and transparency, institutional articulation, and conflict resolution. Another bottleneck is the lack of articulation and the overlap of competencies between different environmental agencies and federative spheres. The Complementary Law 140/2011 reasonably organized cooperation, but sectoral attributions still suffer from a lack of clear rules. A solution would be the formation of a multidisciplinary institutional council composed of specialists from various fields and sectors to develop objective and technical proposals for improvement. This council could detail cooperation rules and identify strategic national interest projects that require a differentiated licensing regime. Thank you for watching this video and for following us here on the channel. Be sure to share your opinion in the comments, like and share with your friends and colleagues, as this helps us transmit knowledge to everyone who is willing to learn. See you in the next video.